Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amabanza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0. I'm joined by Umshasi.
Right, Tibo.
Yeah.
First of all,
Yeah. Skala kuphi?
Mocaba khona la.
Angazi phuthi.
There's 3 points la.
Yes.
Back, right?
Yes.
Then I've got 2 things engifuna ukutshela zona Steve.
Yini phuthi?
You,
Yes.
personally,
Yes.
I was sitting with you
Yes.
for almost 85 minutes.
Yes.
Don't ever sit down when Chiefs is playing.
Yes. Yeah.
Because the minute you woke up and you went and
Yeah.
set up your cameras,
Yes.
Chiefs scored the goal.
Yes. Yes.
And then,
Yes.
now this is the thing. First of all, guys, I would like to thank all the supporters of Kaizer Chiefs who's coming all over the place in South Africa to come and support
In
Kaizer
numbers.
Chiefs.
Yeah.
Lo, Ustalo,
Yeah.
wasembumbulu umshasi.
Yes.
We welcome you guys and we're saying farewell to you guys. Have a safe trip.
Yeah.
Now, this is the thing now.
Uthi.
Ngifuna ukubuyela kuwena Steve.
Buya phuthi.
I want to ask you lapha ya.
Yeah.
Ngithi mina, when Pirates were carrying ama-eggs,
Yes.
who's hashing the eggs? Ubani abakala amaqanda?
Ulamthuthi.
I didn't say anything. Angithi.
Yeah.
And then,
Yeah.
la ku-football,
Yeah.
Steve, adlala.
Yeah.
Sometimes you tell us ukuthi uKadoso must stay or must go.
Yeah.
They lose, Kadoso, they put on my fence.
Yeah.
Against.
Yeah.
When Kadoso win 5-1,
Yeah.
what they say?
But
Kadoso is good, he must stay.
Yes.
Hey, Sibo ngiyakhothwa ekhaya. Thank you guys.
So,